Make them.
Alright, y'all, so let's go over what you'll need in order. Hi, you all. Welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. Back at y'all with another great video. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Today, you all, I just wanted to drop in and do a really quick video. I was about to make some pancakes for the family, so I figured pancakes, y'all. I'm just going to do a really quick video on how I make my pancakes. I know a lot of y'all already know how to make pancakes, but there's a lot of people that don't know how to make pancakes. So this video is for y'all. It's real simple, real easy, quick, fast. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so let's go over what you need in order to make your pancakes. Of course, you will need some pancake mix. I just got the Aunt Jemima pancake mix. With this one, y'all, be careful when you're grabbing your pancake mix because this one is just add water. Just add water. You got some pancake mixes where you're adding oil, you're adding eggs, you're adding a lot of ingredients. And just keep in mind, this channel is quick, fast, simple recipe. So, of course, we're going to get the mix that you only add water. You will need some syrup. You will need butter. This is for sticking. I also have some non-sticking cooking spray that I use as well. This is just to really ensure that your pancakes do not stick to the skillet at all. For easy cooking. And then last but not least, I have me some whipped cream for the topping at the end. And then we have some fresh raspberries and some fresh blackberries. And of course, you will need a bowl for mixing. Let's get to it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so what we're going to do is go ahead and get the batter going. To be completely honest with y'all, I've never measured the pancake mix. I've always just eyeballed it. It's really to your discretion too. You know how much you're cooking for, how many people you're cooking for. You know how many you want. If you're making 2 pancakes or 6 pancakes or 16 pancakes. Me today, I think I'm going to make about 8 pancakes. Yeah, we're going to make about 8 pancakes. I have to do the math in my head real quick. So, let's get to it, y'all. I'm just going to put some mix. This is a cup. This measuring cup, y'all, is 1 cup. So, there we go. 1 cup. And then we're going to add another cup. 2 cups. I'm going to do 3 cups. I'm going to do 3 cups of mix. So that's good. A little under 3 cups, and then we're going to add some water. I'm going to add 2 cups of water, give it a stir. Alright, so if your mix is looking like this, really thick and lumpy, add a little bit more water to it. So I'm going to add about another ½ a cup to my mix. And not even all of that. And you just want to mix it real good, y'all. You want to try to get as many lumps out as you can. So with the flick of the wrist. Flick of the wrist. That's all you doing, y'all. Look, it's just blending. That's beautiful. This is what you want. This is how you want the consistency of your It's perfect. So I just added, what, 3 cups? 3 cups of pancake mix and 2½ cups, not even really 2½ cups, but let's just say, yeah, about 2½ cups of water to get to this consistency. So now what we're going to do, you all, we're going to go over to the stove. We're going to preheat the stove, and we're going to go ahead and start pouring these pancakes and show you how it's done. Okay, y'all, so I'm over here at the stove. I got my skillet. Now, I don't know if y'all remember the skillet or not, but in that liver video, this skillet almost set my kitchen on fire. I'm going to give it one more shot. I have made pancakes in the skillet before, and the pancakes turned out really good. So we're going to give this skillet one more go. This thing trying to set up my kitchen on fire today. This skillet will be going in the trash. All right, so let's get to it. So I got my skillet. I got it on medium heat. Medium heat. What I'm going to do is get me some butter. Let me get a spoon. My bad, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to get some butter. Just like that. Get a little bit more. Alright, so I got me some butter in there. And then y'all also, this is where the cooking spray comes in. I'll also spray it lightly with the cooking spray. This is just to reassure your pancakes will not stick to the bottom of their skillet. You just want to give it a twirl. Let that melt. Then as that's getting ready, we go back to our mix. Now keep in mind, y'all, when you're making your pancake mix, as you let it sit, it will thicken. So I've letting it sit, and as y'all can see, my mix has thickened up a little bit. So yeah, so we're gonna let that sit just a little bit longer. We're gonna let this butter melt. I'm scared to turn this skillet up, y'all, for real. This last video, y'all, if you ain't seen it, go back to that liver and rice video, y'all. This thing, they almost ended us. It was almost over, y'all. So, yeah, I'm kind of scared to turn this skillet up. I don't want to rush nothing. But yeah, you just want to make sure the bottom of your skillet is lightly coated with the butter. Just like that. Alright, so another thing I got too, y'all, got this, I always use a big spoon. Get you a big spoon if you can. And this is what I use to pour my pancakes. So I just go in and get a nice spoonful. And then you just want to pour it. Just like that. Now, when I make pancakes in a skillet, y'all, I always do one at a time. If you're trying to do more than one at a time, of course, you need to pull out a griddle, or unless you got a really big skillet, or if you make your pancakes smaller. Me, I like my pancakes to be a nice size, nice big size, so I always just cook one at a time, y'all. And this is what your pancake look as it's cooking. As you see that sizzle around there, that's what's going to give you that nice golden edge, nice crunch. Now, when you start to see when those air bubbles start to pop out like that, that's letting you know when it's time to turn your pancake. When you see a lot of those air bubbles coming up out of the pancake, that's when it's time to turn it. I'm going to leave it for a couple of more seconds, probably another 30 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and flip it. I got my handy dandy spatula here. Of course, you would need a spatula. And yeah, it's really simple to make pancakes, y'all. It's really simple. Y'all overthinking it. Alright, so then make sure you up under there real good and just flip it, just like that. And don't worry about none of that. Like even this stuff, y'all, look, if you get your spatula, I kind of waited too long to do it. If you get your spatula, or you could just take it away, y'all. Take the excess out. Just do it like that. Now, if this pancake is too light for you, which it is a little bit too light for me, don't worry. I'm going to let this other side cook, and then I will be flipping it over. So I'm going to let this side cook for about 60 seconds. We're going to flip it over, and then I'm going to let this side cook for like another 30, 45 seconds, just to get it a little bit more golden. All right, y'all, it smells so good, that butter. So I'm going to flip it over again. See, y'all see how golden that is? That's how you want your pancake to look. So I just flipped it over again because I want my other side to be a little bit more brown like this one. But if you like light pancakes, then just leave it exactly how it was and go ahead and go to your next pancake. Some people like really light pancakes. Some people like really dark pancakes. So yeah, it's to your discretion. You know what you like. And yeah, I'm going to give it Another flip, see, got a little darker. And that pancake is done. And you just want to take it out, add it to your plate. And then what you want to do is you want to go down and do the same thing again, y'all. You want to put you some more butter down. Because as you're cooking the pancake is absorbing the butter. It's absorbing the cooking spray. So you want to also make sure that you got your grease, your skillet at a nice temperature, because you got to keep in mind, you're steady making pancakes and your skillet is getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So you don't want, you know, your butter to start melting. When it gets a little smoky, just turn on your little fan. I'm going to add some more cooking spray just like that. Once you add your pancake, it'll calm down, it'll calm all that down. Just like that, y'all. So yeah, you want to let your pancake cook for a little over a minute, so about 90 seconds or so. You want to let your pancake cook. Again, once you start seeing all these bubbles, you see all these little bubbles in your pancake, it's time to flip it. So we're going to go ahead and give it a flip. Oh, look at that, y'all. And then look, if you can catch it early, you just do it like that, and boom. Ain't that beautiful? Beautiful pancake. So we're going to let this cook for another like 60 seconds, and then it'll be done, and then boom, that's how you make pancakes, y'all. It's simple. It's not hard at all. A lot of time, y'all, we overthink things. Pancakes is one of the easiest things to make. Just get you a box of pancake mix, and just do what I did. Put the mix in there, put your little water in there, get a nice consistency. You don't want it to be real watery, because then it's not going to form as a pancake. So yeah, you can have it thick. Thick pancakes if you like thick pancakes. You of course add less water. But yeah, the way how I made my mix, this is how I like this is how I like the consistency. Nice. That's what you want. Unless you like it thicker. But you don't want it to be no more water than this. You don't want it to be no runnier than this. At that point, that's not pancake mix. We don't know what that is. That's pancake water. You done mixed up some pancake water. So I'm gonna flip it over one more time. Let it cook on this side for another 30 seconds. And we're gonna flip it back over, and we are done, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off. We are done. So stay tuned, y'all. We're going to go ahead and plate these pancakes up, and I'm going to show you the finished product. Stay tuned. So yeah, it tastes really good, really sweet. The whipped cream really ties it in. Now, if you don't like a lot of sweet, then do not add the whipped cream. The whipped cream and the syrup together kind of collides together. But yeah, it's really good. You got the berries to kind of even it out, to smooth out the sweetness. And this is what you want, y'all. This is how you make pancakes. Thank you all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I had fun making pancakes with y'all. Stay tuned for another great video. I would like to thank all my subscribers. Y'all have a great day, and thank you so much for tuning in.